Mommy, what are you up to today?
She's up to apple. When you're up,
What are you up to today, Radha? Come on.
forgot. Frog juice.
Ceviche.
So first we're going to cut
So
first.
grab a knife.
I am. I'll get this knife. I'll cut it now. See?
Yes. Beautiful.
So now we're going to put this plate on top of this. Where's my knifey?
So from the half.
No, I can't really squeeze it with my hand, so I'll just use the lemon squeezer. Hello. Okay. And now we got.
Up there with the one up here.
Yeah, this one. You want?
Oh. And now season this one with the salt and pepper.
Salted pepper.
Oh, don't touch it with this, Peter.
It's gonna taste so yummy.
Enough. That's enough. Some pepper. Crust it a little bit. Crust it from up. Alright, let it set while we're making our salad mix to go with it.
Yes.
So put it this away.
Now we're going to.
Walk it down here first.
Ooh, oranges! And first I want to start with.
I'll show you. So we're gonna make our salsa over here, okay? On this one. We'll put
I know how to cut orange.
or just wait, let me show you. Really nice one. And this one here. So we get nice. See? Look at here. So we want this. Okay? We're gonna do it for the whole orange.
I can do it by myself.
Oh, you put this skin away first. No, not like this, not like this, not like that. You need to be patient, darling, okay?
Okay. Why is the speaker?
So we need only that much mango. We don't need all of it.
Okay.
Okay, just wait. So we do score it like this.
Okay, I can do it like
Wait,
that.
hold it. There.
Okay, Papa.
We need to close, okay? Close
Okay.
lines like this.
I can do that.
I know you can do it.
It's
Just
so
close it.
easy. Hey, you did all of it, Dad.
Now do cross cut.
I can do the cross cut.
Straight, yes. Yes. Don't cut it all the way down, we need it. That's why
I want to have one.
I need pineapple now. Alright? Okay, just cut. Watch your finger. Watch your finger.
Yum.
Oh, you don't cut the pineapple.
Oh my golly gosh. She made a mess. Papaya?
Hello.
She's slippery.
What are you doing there, Manu? What is that? Pineapple. Got some fresh coriander.
Try this on the other side because mine is being a bit naughty. I'll do on the other side.
You put this in the toaster. We need it nice toasty, this one.
Toaster, okay. I don't need this toaster to get out there. It's too strong. Like that.
Put in toaster.
Okay. Okay. One goes in there. One goes like there. Okay. Okay.
Money, get down with it.
You ready? Stop! Stop!
That's how we need it, actually. So, that's our toasties, nice, crispy. Shut up. And now, wait.
It's my cooking time.
We're gonna do some salt here.
I want to do it. I will do the pepper.
Some olive oil.
I want to do the olive oil. I'll do it.
And some lemon juice. Gonna go on top of
I'm
that.
going to do it.
I will just quickly hold it. Now you do mix, right?
Mexico. Guys, are you guys Indian? Are you Indian?
Yes. Come on, mix it.
I'm Indian.
I'm doing what? Why? Come on, Rod.
Oopsie. This is Papa's. Now I'll make my own. I'm on the top.
Yes. One or two, huh?
I need another one.
Chilo onions with aloo.
I don't want onions in mine. Okay.
Then try one.
I'll have this one. Okay. Sour.
Can we try also?
Listen, we are already full. I'm full now, Papa. I'm full already.
So good.
Guys, you know what? I'm full.